Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video I will be showing you how to sew in a straight line. If you are watching this channel for the first time, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we upload a new video so that you won't miss out. And for those that have already subscribed, we really appreciate you. So I will bring up my sewing machine. So this is the fabric I'm going to use to show to you how to sew a straight line. So we are going to sew a straight line. You're going to fold your fabric this way, then you fold it again, fold it again this way. Can you see it? So you fold it into two. Make sure it is aligned. So that's how you are going to do it. So that's how you are going to sew it. You can see this aligned with the red at the bottom. You can see the straight line here. You can see the straight line. So that's how you will sew it down. Make a straight line down. So this is what you are going to do. So it is not difficult to do, it is very simple. That's how you are going to sew it down to the hem of the fabric. Just push this in. Now you have to top stitch it. Stitch. Then we are done. Then you cut the thread. So what you have to do is to cut all the thread out. So you have to cut all the tiny threads. Cut it out. When cutting, you have to be careful so that you won't cut off your fabric. So that is it. So you can see it is very simple to make a straight. So you can see the straight line. You can see it. So it is not difficult to sew at all. So I urge you to sew a straight line as well. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.